Hook is set, tightening the clamp now. Got the pin, clear. Cable's free, all clear, pull it up.
This wreck highlights the Cobra's unique design. The tandem cockpit, though damaged, shows its two-seat configuration.
Steady, bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment on the forward stand. Clear on the aft section. Set it down gentle.
Clear the starboard side. Watch the hydraulic lines.
Borescope shows some wear on the bulkhead, but it's stable.
Harnesses are clear. Ready to lift the seat?
Ready. Watch the hydraulics. Steady now.
Look at the turbine blades. The sand abrasion is significant.
Yeah, this engine is completely seized. It's remarkable it even landed.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Clear on the right. Keep coming up slowly.
All right, the bolts are clear. Go ahead and lift.
Okay, looking at the attachment points now. Looks clean.
All right, tension is set. Bring it up slowly.
Copy that. Coming up slowly, clear on your side.
Affirmative. Watch the rear strut.
According to the schematics here, we need to access the gearbox from the starboard side.
Let's double check the torque settings first.
With the last major skin panels removed, the AH-1 is reduced to its basic structural frame, exposing the ribs and stringers. The complete bare metal skeleton of the Bell AH-1 Cobra sits on its specialized supports. It is ready for the restoration phase.
The corrosion on the turbine blades exceeds tolerance.
Noted. We'll need a full replacement assembly.
The corrosion on this shaft is significant.
Yes, the micrometer reading confirms it's out of tolerance. We need the new one.
That dent is almost gone.
Just a little more sanding, and it's ready for primer.
Okay, verify the alignment before we bolt it down.
Checklist item 3, alignment confirmed. The clearance is perfect.
All right, bring it forward just a touch. Watch the clearance. Clear. Going for the lock now.
The reassembly of the AH-1 Cobra requires meticulous precision, especially when aligning the new instrument panels.
Set the torque to 7 to 5 foot-pounds.
7 to 5. Reaching required torque now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pin.
Got it. Hitting the first structural bolt now.
Bring it down 5 centimeters. Torque is set to 75. Looks good, lock it down.
The iconic shark mouth panel is carefully aligned, restoring the Cobra to its former glory. The torque wrench ensures precise fitment.
All right, slowly lower it down.
Got the alignment pin. Torque looks good on the upper bolts.
The main rotor mast assembly requires meticulous precision. Here, the complex rotor head is carefully
Check the locking pins on the inboard side.
Secure. Pressure is holding steady. Confirmed.
Okay, easy now. Align the cuff with the spindle.
Got it.
Torque in the main bolt now.
Run the final diagnostic check.
Confirmed. All readings are nominal, ready for sign-off.
We need to ensure the tail rotor has the correct pitch angle before we mount the blades.
Right, I'll double check the specs now. Make sure you get that edge by the cannon. Yeah, I'm almost done with the buffing right here.
All right, keep it steady now. Roger that, maintaining course, range is clear. Cobra 94 to base, pre-flight checks complete, ready for engine start.